I would think that we're going to have to see what SpaceX says, and we'll find out when they're going to try next.
No.
But the SpaceX live stream is now ending. We got within 40 seconds, so we get to do this again.
So unfortunately, SpaceX had to scrub Flight 8. They had a hold at 40 seconds, and then they briefly lifted it, and then they ended up just scrubbing the launch. Apparently, they were originally having a problem with the booster that they were able to resolve, but then they were also troubleshooting something on the ship that just did not get fixed in time. So this is just a really, really quick debrief because I'm sure we'll get more details from SpaceX, but this is what Elon Musk has to say. So SpaceX wrote, standing down from today's flight test attempt, Starship team is determining the next best available opportunity to fly. And then Elon Musk expanded upon that. And let me say, it isn't much, but it's some information. So Elon wrote, too many question marks about this flight, and then we were 20 bar low on ground spin, start pressure, best to destack, inspect both stages, and try again in a day or two. So does that mean that they'll actually launch on Tuesday? I guess we'll have to see. Historically, in the past, they would need more time in between launches, but we'll see if they can do it in under 48 hours. So yes, we actually thought originally that weather might be a concern. It was extremely windy, as it always is in Boca Chica, but it was also really foggy today. But this was actually down to technical concerns. So unfortunately, SpaceX had multiple unresolved uncertainties, and this was all during their pre-launch checks in that 40-second hold. And then when Elon writes, we were 20 bar low on ground spin start pressure, this is a technical detail about a specific problem. Ground spin start pressure likely refers to the pressure in the system used to spin up the rocket engine's turbopumps, which of course deliver fuel and oxidizer to the combustion chamber before ignition. 20 bar low means the pressure was 20 bars, a unit of pressure below the required level. This could indicate a leak or a malfunction in the pressurization system, or maybe some other issue that prevented the engines from being ready to fire safely. But with what happened the last flight and Ship 33 exploding, listen, SpaceX doesn't want to take any chances. So unfortunately, Elon says SpaceX will destack, inspect both of those stages, and maybe be able to go by Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm going to call it now. I think it won't be until Wednesday, but you guys will just have to see. So anyway, this is just a really, really quick update, but I will release more details as we get them. And thanks so much for everyone who tuned into the live stream today. I'm so sorry that it's scrubbed, but I will be here and able to cover it when it finally does go.